How to recover discipline and rebuild momentum. Falling off isn't failure. Staying down is. If you've lost your edge, if you've slipped from your habits, abandoned your routine, or just feel like you've let yourself down, this message is for you. Because this is where most people quit. Not when they fail, but when they start believing that failure is their identity. Here's the truth. Everyone falls. The disciplined, the focused, the strong. It's not about perfection. It's about response. What do you do next? That answer defines everything. Step 1. Get honest first. You have to get real. Not emotional. Not dramatic. Just honest. Where are you? What have you stopped doing? What are the consequences? You don't need to spiral into guilt. You just need clarity. Because you cannot fix what you won't face. Step 2. Start small. When you're off track, the worst thing you can do is try to be perfect again tomorrow. Don't chase the perfect version of you. Chase the next small win. Because small wins aren't just progress. They're anchors. They remind you, I'm still in the game. And once you get that feeling back, that momentum, that rhythm, you become dangerous again. An example, how to rebuild. Let's say you've been off your morning routine for weeks. You've been sleeping in, skipping workouts, eating poorly. Now you feel like you're starting from zero. Here's what you do. Day 1, you wake up just 15 minutes earlier. No phone, no chaos. You drink a glass of water. You write down one goal. That's it. You don't need a 2-hour routine to come back. You just need one quiet victory. Day 2, you stack it. Wake up again. Water. Write one goal. Add 10 push-ups. Not to get fit, but to get back in motion. Day 3, you add a walk. You prep a simple meal. You keep it moving. Each small win makes the next one easier. You're not rebuilding your habits. You're rebuilding your identity. When you feel hopeless, maybe you've tried this before. Maybe you've made promises and broken them. So now you think, what's the point? Here's the point. You are not your past. You are not your failures. You are not the number of times you've quit. You are who you decide to be right now. You can be the person who tried 100 times and gave up, or the one who tried one more time and finally made it stick. Hope isn't found in success. Hope is found in action. Do one thing today. Not because it's big, but because it's forward. That is how hope is built. Stoic strength in failure. The Stoics didn't avoid difficulty. They faced it. They used it. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "When you arise in the morning, think of what a privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love." He didn't say only do that on perfect mornings. He said rise up, face the day, do what's needed, especially when it's hard. So when you fall, you don't retreat, you don't hide. You come back smaller maybe, but stronger. Not because it's easy, but because you refuse to stay down. Final words. Falling off isn't the end. It's the beginning, if you choose it. So start small. Start now. One quiet victory, then another, and another. You're not chasing perfection. You're building power. Discipline isn't about never slipping. It's about refusing to quit on yourself. And when you live like that, when you rebuild with strength and purpose, there is no failure, only fuel. Get up, start again. And this time, keep going. You're not done. You're just getting started. Building back stronger. The deeper truth. Here's the part nobody talks about. Coming back is harder than starting. You don't just battle laziness. You battle shame, self-doubt, memories of the last time you quit. That's why rebuilding matters more than beginning. It builds something deeper. When you show up again, after failure, you're no longer motivated by hype. You're moved by something stronger. Conviction, clarity, and character. This is what the Stoics understood. Seneca said, "Difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor does the body." So don't run from the struggle. Don't fear the restart. Use it. You are not soft for falling off. You are strong for starting again. Picture this. Two people at the base of a mountain. One has all the gear. He's fresh, excited, confident. The other? He's climbed halfway before. He slipped. He fell. He's bruised. But he's still here. And today, he starts climbing again. Who do you bet on? Not the fresh one. The one who already knows the cost and still moves forward. That's you. You've fallen. You've bled. And you're still standing. So take the next step. Final call. Don't wait for Monday. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Your comeback starts now. One win, then another. Let's go.